Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for a mail call. And today we got something from my friend Michael on Facebook. And this looks pretty easy to open. We push right here. And there we have it open. I forget what it is. Oh, I'm just starting to remember as I'm looking. Okay. Ooh, nice. Monopoly car with the pewter piece also. And does it say what kind of car it is? It's a 1933 Willie, but I wish it said it somewhere on the package there. Pretty cool. Let's see what else is in here. Wow, really excited about that. Barn finds. And wow. As found by Mike Hill and in its factory color. Limited one of 2,502. Plymouth Superbirds, 1970. Oh, it's going to be really hard to keep in the package. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching us on do a mail call. You just watched us receive both of those at Timmy's 10 again. Thanks so much, and please subscribe.